Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are just diving into some essential Excel features that can significantly enhance your data management and analysis. So we are just covering a 5 powerful techniques here, and each of these methods addresses common challenges which you face when working with the data. So whether you are cleaning up your data set, seeking insights from the complex data, or transforming your data for the better usability. So these features will help you work more efficiently and effectively, and it will save a lot of time of yours uh, when you are handling the lot of data, the multiple data, I would say. So let's start with blank rows. How you can handle a blank rows? You can see here there is one blank row here, one blank row here. So what we want, we just want to delete a blank rows here. We don't want to delete this empty cell, the data, the row which have empty cell. We don't want to delete that. Okay, we just want to delete the blank rows here. So as you can see here, so you can see there are some of the row here which have incomplete data. So but we don't want to delete that, so just we will see other two methods here first. So as you can see, we will just go to find and select, go to spatial, and after that we can just select blanks over here and just press OK. So just give some time and you can see all the blank rows have been selected, but once we are deleting it, we will just delete that row also which have incomplete data. As I have told you, we don't want to delete that. So how you can handle this thing? So just do one thing, just make one row, one column, and it will be named as count. Just go here, equal to, just use this function count blank, use this as a range here, what, and just close the bracket, and you can see here we're just getting one blank cell here. So it will just count the value one, it will just count a blank cell. So just go to and just select all the rows here. You can see there are 500 rows, so we are just selecting. So now what we want to do, that what we want, we just don't want to delete that value which comes 1 or 0 or 2 or 3. We just don't want to delete that because there will be an empty cell. As you can see here, you can see there are two empty cell, name and email. We don't want to delete this, so we just want to delete those which have the values 4, because you can see there are 4 empty cells. So we just want to delete that. So what you have to do, just select whole column, go to filter, use filter here, select this, select, just click on select all and use this 4. So once you are just getting all those which have a 4 value, that means a empty blank row. So we just want to delete this, so just do select all here, just do this one, control all, and we just want to delete this blank row, delete row, delete this entire, and it will just delete all those which have value as a 4. So once you are going to select all, okay, and you can see all the blank rows have been deleted. So we just want to delete this from our data set. We want this, and you can see here there is one blank row, so that's why in filter it is coming as in blank. But once we are deselecting this, and that blank row will also be gone. So we just want to delete blank rows we have deleted. So this can be the method, and this can save a lot of time of yours. So now move to second here is the quick analysis. First of all, let me delete this. What we want, just do, just for the quick analysis, just do this, control all and control Q. So this will give, now you can see how beautifully it is. It will just give you, and just click of a button, it will just visualizing your data, as you can see here. So you can see there are so many So you can just do this, you can do this, you can just do greater than once you are putting any value which you want, and it will just highlight that cell top 10. And you can see in the charts it will just create a chart over here, and you can see by clicking of a button, by click of a button, it will just give you this much things, tables here, and spark lines. You can see line, column. It is just showing that how the value has been increasing or decreasing, and just create a line chart here. And by just doing this, you can just see when was the high point, and the high point has been highlighted. So it will just save you a lot of time when you are analyzing your data. So now move to third one, converting to rows. So you can see here the date has been there, and I just want my total sales has been categorized, that how many footballs has been sold in the month of January, in the month of February, in the month of March. Then how I can do so? It will take a lot of time, but it by just this shortcut method, you can just, it will save your time. So what you have to do, just go to data here, from table or range here, it will just open Power Query Editor. And once you are going there, just oh, it is taking time. So now my the data has been, just click all, just click this data column, just go to add column here, date, month, name of the month, and the data has been extracted and it has been changed to a month name. So now I don't want this, because I have told you that we just want our total sales has been categorized by the month. So and the month has been there, so just go to transform here, just click this, and I just want my call values will be categorized. Press OK, and you can see the all the values has been categorized, that how many basketball has been sold in the month of September, in the month of June, and in the month of December. So that's how easy it is. So just to go home, just go on home tab, close and load, and your value is there. You can see it here, your values has been categorized. So this how it easy it will save you a lot of time. So you can use this method whenever you want to. So this can be easy method to categorize the data. Now move to fourth one, and that is the text split. Let me delete this first. You can see it. So what I want now, the first name and the last name from the full name column, and the address I want it must be separate by the street name, city, and the state, and it can be done with the help of one function, and that is the text split. Let me show you how. Just press tab here, text, comma, just use this space, this, and just close the bracket, and you can see the name, the full name has been separate, and it is just showing. Just click both of these and just drag it down, and you can see here the name has been separate. So you can see here how easy it is, how quick it is. And now I just want my address to be separate by street name, city, and the state, and how I can do so. And you can see here delimiter here is the comma. So you use again that function, that is the text split, tab, text, comma, open this, comma, because this is the delimiter which I want to my data to be separated by, close the inverted comma, close the bracket, and you can see that how easy and how quickly my whole address has been separated by, with the help of these functions. You can see, and I'm done. So this can be the method with the help, if you want to do separate, you want to separate your text with the help of any, like you want to separate your text in any of the column you want, you can use this quickly. So this can be the functions that can be used. The fifth and the last one is how you can using that. So for this method, just do control A and use this analyze data. So with the help of AI, it will just analyze all of your data. You can see here. So what I'm getting, you are just getting the charts, you are getting, uh, you can see how the charts has been visualized. So you can see here, if I want to just use insert chart here and just drag and drop here and just select this, and you can see how beautifully it is designed with the click of a button. It is saving a lot of time when you're using Excel. By with the help of this, you are just saving a lot of time of yours, and you can just complete your Excel in on time. So you can use this. And if you want to ask question like give me top 5 products the highest rating, and you can see here it is. So I'm just getting it. So just I'm just asking the question and the data has been, you can see the top 5 products who have the highest rating, as you can see. So with the help of this, all these 5 functions, all these 5 techniques, you can just save a lot of time of yours. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.